In this video, I'll show you how to fold down the rear seats of your BMW 3 Series. Well, most of the cars have a small switch, a small latch on the top here, but not this model. This model has a pass-through in the armrest though, so if you want to open it, simply pull the latch like this, and yeah, you may just need to do this to pass some skis or longer object. Obviously, this is not what you want, so let me show you how to fold down your back seats. You need to go in the trunk. Okay, pop the trunk, and once you're over here, you're gonna notice there are two latches on the top. They're hidden there. You see? One over here, just pull it, and the other one over here, pull it as well. It will unlatch the rear seats, and you'll have to put them down manually. So bring them like this. If the front seats are in the way, you'll obviously have to put them forwards. So it should look like this. Now you have more space to pass bigger items. To put it back, you see these are the latches maintaining the seats in place, so you just have to bring it back, and I suggest you slam them just to make sure they latched well in place. All right, like this, and maybe you can also wiggle them a bit just to make sure that they won't unlatch in case of an accident. But overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.